Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to send money from Botim to TapTap account, so let's start. Following this step, surely you will do it. First one, open your Botim app. Launch the Botim app on your smartphone. Ensure that you're logged in to your account. Number 2, link the payment method, if you know have already done. If you haven't linked in the payment method, bank account, debit card, credit card, or wallet to your Botim account, you'll need to do that first. Then go to settings or payment methods in the app. Choose your preferred payment method, bank card or other. Follow the instructions to link your payment method and open the Botim TapTap transfer option. Inside the Botim app, look for send money or transfer option. Tap this option and select. Tap from the list of available transfer option or partners. Number 4, enter your Tap account details. You will prompt to enter the recipient's TapTap account details, which will include recipient's TapTap ID or username, amount to send. Double check these details to ensure that they are correct. Number 5, choose a payment method. Select the payment method you want to use to complete the transaction, the one linked early. Make sure you have enough balance or funds to cover the transfer and any fees. Number 6, confirm the transfer. Review the details of your transfer, recipient info, amount, payment method. If everything looks correct, click on confirm or send. Then enter authentication if is required. If your account requires authentication such as PIN or fingerprint, enter it, authorize the transfer. Number 8. Wait for confirmation. After the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message or receipt. The recipient will also receive the funds in their Tap account. Number 9. Check the transfer status. You can track the status of your transfer through the Botim app in the transaction history or by contacting support if you need it. Number 10. Notify the recipient. Let the recipient know that transfer has been complete and they can now access the money TapTap account. So guys, doing this you will transfer the money super easy. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up for this video.